HBSA has honestly changed my life. It is literally the complete roadmap that I need to create a six-figure handmade business, and you can't really put a price on that. So for me, even though I created it, there's still times where I'm going through it myself, because at the end of the day, we are humans, we forget things, we drop the ball on things. But not only that, it has enabled me to work really closely with some people who have some amazing products in various different niches, one of a kind, vintage, print on demand, artists, jewelry creators, woodworkers, so many people that I have managed to work with and really improve their business, their life. And you can't really put a price on that. So when someone says, how has the HBSA changed your life? It's in so many ways. It really, really has. It is the big kahuna course that has enabled me to have a container to share what I know. And honestly, I love it. I really, really do. And I would love it if you would join me in the HBSA.